Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson. I don't know, yep, I think you can kind of see his face here. So we are here because it is Stitch Fix Day and we received a package on our porch actually a couple of days early. So we're excited and we're gonna jump right in. So for those of you who have not watched one of my unboxing videos before, I am Nikki and I have been doing these for a while, but I am now a stylist at Stitch Fix and I did style myself. However, I never remember, I kind of remember what I sent myself, but like I said, I style so many people that kind of all runs together. Let's see what I got. Is that better, Weston? Let me do it up here. Return envelope. Stylist note. It's a lovely note. I have a wonderful stylist. So, this is interesting. This is, I don't even really remember. Okay, this is the MPG Sport Carmack Textured Knit Bomber Jacket. Okay, yeah, so now I'm on a bomber jacket phase, as some of you will realize. So I'm going to try this one on. It's kind of a weird fabric, and it has just like these darker gray things. Anyway, here's that. I'll try it on. Next, okay, all right, so here we go. This is, oh, okay, this is that. This is called the Z Supply Kylie Off the Shoulder Knit Top. It is just a off the shoulder knit top. It is kind of ribbed. It's very, very thin and there's not a lining underneath it. So I'll be interested to see how this looks on and we'll just see. I do remember now that I'm looking at this that I did not send myself much color at all. In fact, this is all gray, I believe. So next time I'm gonna have to throw in some color. Okay, next is, okay, this is that cozy sweatshirt. So I needed a couple more athleisure items. And so I grabbed this, okay, yeah. Sometimes it takes a while to find the tag. That actually says what the name of the product is. Okay, this is the Aviva Lace Up Hooded Dolman Knit Top. Size small. So it actually is a dolman. Interesting. Yeah, so I'll try that one on. We'll see what I think of that. Next, okay, this one I'm not sure about. I was sending things to myself this time that I was trying to go a little bit outside my comfort zone. And so I don't really like denim jackets. I'm just being straight up. I love them on other people. They just never seem to fit me correctly. Like, I have tried 4, 5, 6, probably more. I used to wear one when I was younger. I don't know why they don't work. But at any rate, I got this black one, which I was kind of worried that it would look too frosted for those of you who are my age, which I will not say at this point. You remember like more frosted and how that's coming back in, but this does not look frosted. This is really just kind of a faded black denim. It is cropped. So it is a cropped version and it does have this sort of fringe at the bottom. So we'll just have to see. We'll have to see how that looks. Just slightly outside my comfort zone. I mean, I love edgy, but I don't know. And last but not least, I actually do have a pair of these and I ordered myself another one because these are the, excuse me, Elizabeth Super Skinny jeans by Liverpool and the dark gray, and they are the favorite pair of pants I own right now. So I got another pair. However, these ones, the ones I own are actually in a petite size and these are not. So I will be interested to see how these fit. I think they're going to be too long. So that's everything. I'm gonna go try that stuff on and thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, so this is that gray sort of dolman pullover sweatshirt thingy. And I really like it. It's comfortable. If you can kind of see the length of the sleeves, it is 3/4 length. It's got that kind of loose feel, but it doesn't feel too loose and it doesn't feel too dolman-y, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I think it's comfortable and I just have it on with leggings, which is exactly what I would wear it with. And yeah, kind of like it. pretty simple, but I think I will keep this one for sure. Okay. Okay. So this is a really cute shirt, and I think that, I don't know, I'm just gonna be honest, it's too skin tight for me. The one that I just got in my last fix, that cutout one, the only reason I kept that one was because it had 2 layers. But again, this is how this shirt looks. It's made of this really, I don't know if you guys can kind of see the thin ribbed black material. I really can't tell if that's showing up on the camera. But and it's comfortable. It's really comfortable, and it's very nice. It's very nice. And I have a strapless bra on with it, and that's one of my issues because I hate strapless bras. I hate them with a passion, and I try to not have to wear them whenever possible. So sometimes I will put on a cami or tank top under an off-the-shoulder shirt and wear it off one or both shoulders. I will do different things so that I don't have to mess with the strapless bra. So at any rate, I really like this shirt. I think any of you that like really fitted clothing will love this shirt, but I am not probably going to keep it just because I know that I'm not that comfortable wearing it. Okay, but here you have it. Okay, so I actually have 2 things on. First of all, I have this bomber jacket. So a couple of things I will say about it. It is super heavy. Like the Dear John one that I got in my last fix is basically like a t-shirt material. Honestly, it's extremely lightweight. This one it feels like almost a wool on the outside, and it's very warm. Like I feel like I'm wearing a really warm sweater right now. So I feel like the quality of this jacket is really nice, especially if you're looking for warmth. So again, if you can't see the whole thing, it's got these kind of gray accents on the sleeves. They're just knit, normal material. Oh, battery is dying here again. And you can kind of see the collar. It's like a darker gray color, but it almost looks purple on camera, but it is actually just a darker gray. So so this jacket, I will say, I love the shape of it. I've said this before, I like the shape of these jackets, but I'm struggling with the color. For me, I feel like it just kind of washes me out. And bottom line, like with my coloring, I don't feel like this jacket is the best jacket for me, but I think it's an amazing, awesome jacket. Like I want this jacket in this heavy fabric in a different color. FYI, if anyone's listening from the merchandising team. Okay, so so yeah, that's that. So the pants, if you can see them, once again, I mentioned that these are not a petite size, and I think I've said this before, 5'3", 0.75 at least. Almost 5'4", okay? And I have that issue between the petite and non-petite. So anyway, these are the non-petite, and they are a little long. There's a couple of things also. There is kind of bagginess at the back of my legs here, if you can see that. And it's completely opposite. I have this in a petite. I think it's a petite like 27, and these are a regular 28-inch inseam. Anyway, these are long. That's my point. So I feel like they're too long. I like to have a little bit of space. This is just how I like my jeans to fit. I like a little bit of space between the bottom of the jean and my boot or booty or wedge or whatever it is I'm wearing. So that's how I like them to look. But with these pants, the cuff shows. So bottom line, I love these pants. I need to get them in a petite size. At least that's what I think, because I don't like that bagginess at the knees. And this jacket is awesome, but I don't think it is the best one for me. I love your feedback, but I'm heavily leaning towards no on both of these. Idea if this is what, okay, would I be wearing this with? Kind of looks bulky, but anyway, this is the black cropped jacket, so you can see from the side. I would probably very likely not button it. I'm probably gonna just leave it open. So it is like, this is the length of it. You can see I have a longer t-shirt on. So here's what it looks like up close. It does have a little bit of distressing, which I don't know. I'm not sure about that part. We'll think about that. And then it does have that little frayed hem at the bottom. But I really do like this, and the reason why is, like I said, I'm always cold, so it's much more likely that I would wear these in the summer, which is why I have them with sort of like capris and summery shoes, because that's pretty much when I'm going to wear it, or spring-ish times. But it's nice to just throw on a jacket over like my t-shirt or tank top and shorts, and so once in a while a black jacket will work. But I'm sorry, I'm trying to see. It is a little bit boxy from the side, and this shirt is also kind of long. I don't know. I think I'll probably keep it because I do know that I will use it, but let me know your feedback on how you think this fits. All right? That was my last item, so what's up? You don't like these? Do you like it? Oh my gosh, you have that strong of a reaction. Okay, Watson actually really likes this jacket, so we will be right back. Okay, so Watson is kind of hiding behind me there. That's strange. Usually he loves the limelight and he thinks he should have it. Okay, so let's go through the prices here. The black off-the-shoulder knit top by Z Supply. This one is $38. So FYI, if you like a really fitted top that is super comfortable and lightweight, this is it. I am not keeping this one, even though my husband wants me to, because I just know that I would not be comfortable wearing it, and I do not know why, but that is just my comfort level. Okay, so next is this gray, what is this thing called? MPG Sport, the Carmack textured knit bomber jacket. This is $88. And like I said, it is like, I wish that they had this in another color because this color does not look good on me. And I'm not 100% a huge fan of the marled. So again, that's just for me. I know a lot of people like it. So heavy and so warm, so cozy. But I'm not keeping it because it just isn't the best look on me. Somebody make that jacket in a different color, please. Okay, I guess that would be MPG Sport who should do that. Okay, then the Elizabeth super skinny jean in this dark gray color, which I love. Like I said, I wear these all the time. I have them in a petite size. This is not petite, you saw. So I'm probably not keeping these just because of that. And these are $88, or wait, these are $78. Okay, the next thing on here is the this Andrew Mark Performance knit dolman top. What is he called? Aviva lace up top. Okay, I like this. It's super comfortable. You guys saw it. A little bit of a dolman style. The hood. Yeah, total keeper. It's not like, you know, I don't know. I don't know. It's a comfortable top I'll wear at home. It's not like a hot date night top, okay? And then last but not least is this jacket. So this jacket is by Just USA. It's called the Brannon Crop Denim Jacket, $68. So I like it. You guys can see this kind of, there's a little bit of distressing, and I don't know, I like distressing, but I don't know how you just have weird levels where you like things sometimes you don't. And this jacket I think I can deal with, but if it had any more distressing, I don't think I could handle it. This fix, I'm keeping 2 items, so 2 out of the 5. So it's really interesting because as I've gone through this whole process, I'm just trying to figure out my own style. And once in a while when I take, you know, a chance and grab something outside of my comfort zone, it works awesome. I love it. Sometimes I'm like, this is amazing. Well, these choices were not the most amazing, but some of them were fit issues. But I love that I have 2 new items to add to my closet. And next time I'm going to try to add a little bit of color. Thanks for watching. If you have not already done so, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on my referral link below. If you have not tried Stitch Fix, you can go ahead and do it for free for your first month. If you want to, and if you don't want to, you don't have to. So think that's pretty much all that I have to say right now. Watson is sleeping, and I'll talk to you soon.